In this video I'm going to show you how to search for a specific message on Instagram on your iPhone in 2022. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's begin. And first I need to open up Instagram application, and here let's select some conversation. I'll tap here on the chats, and then I will select, let's be the first one, conversation, and here I need to tap at the person's name to open chat settings, and I here will look for search in conversation feature. When I tap here, I can type in any request in the search field, and I will find all the messages that contains this keyword. Let me show you how it works. I made a request, then press find, and here I got one message which contains this keyword. I hope information helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.